and a proud member of Rehan AI Teacher Institute. Today, I am sharing my review of a very inspiring TEDx talk titled Study Smarter, Not Harder by Kiki Fan. This talk is full of simple yet powerful strategies that can help students and even professionals save time, reduce stress, and achieve better results in their studies and work. So let me share with you my screen. I prepare a presentation on the review TED Talks on the review so we can understand about the point of view of speaker very well. So here in the on the screen you can see the video that name is Study Smarter, Not Harder by Kiki Fan. It is a TEDx review which I am making on this video. So I break down all the parts of review in smarter chunks. So before we go toward other step, I am introducing you the parts of the review which I create. Firstly, I will introduce with you the introduction, and then I will give you summary, and then we analyze the key points in the TEDx. Then I will give you my personal reflection, strength and weaknesses, and then I will give you a conclusion. So we first move toward first part that is about the speaker of TEDx, Kiki Fan, her biography. So Kiki Fan is information of Kiki Fan is quite limited in public sources, but here's what is currently known. Professional background from it is from the University of Illinois at Urbana. Kiki Fan studied here and is an alumna of this institution, according to LinkedIn. Applied Materials. She works professionally at Applied Materials, a major company in the semiconductor industry, according to LinkedIn. But unfortunately, beyond these details, her educational background and current employer, there is not much publicly available biographical information or media coverage about her online. Many aspiring speakers maintain a relatively low profile, so it's not unusual for detailed biographies to be scarce. So it is the biography of Katie Fan. Let's move toward other point, that is the audience who were physically present in the hall during Kiki Fan's TEDx talk. That are the students, parents, and teachers, general TEDx attendees, and supportive atmosphere. If we talk about the summary of the TEDx, so you can see that she gives three simple strategies. Number one, first, set a daily focus appointment, a fixed time to study that builds routine and removes procrastination. Second, create a clear and distraction free desk, keeping only the essentials you need. Third, use background sounds or music like rain or classroom or classical tunes to block distractions and boost concentration. By applying these methods, Kiki herself reduced her study time from these from 3 hours to just 1 hour a day, while actually improving her grades. Her message is clear: success isn't about working longer, it's about working smarter. And that's a lesson every student can use. It is the summary of TEDx. Now we will move toward the key points. Number one, set a focus appointment. Fix a daily study time to build routine and reduce procrastination. Second, organize your workspace. Keep your desk clean, only essentials present. Remove distractions like phone or clutters. Third, use ambient sounds or music. Play rain sounds, classical music, or nature sounds to block noise and stay focused. Fourth, result. These methods help Kiki cut study time from 3 hours to 1 hour daily while improving grades. 5. Core message: studying smarter is more effective than studying harder. But it reminds us: quality over quantity. Success isn't about how long we work, but how smartly we work. Second point is discipline creates freedom. A small daily habit like a fixed study time can make a big difference. Third, environment shapes focus. A clean desk and calm surroundings can change our mindset completely. S- Fourth, small changes, big results. We do not need big struggles. Little adjustments can transform our productivity. So, if we talk about the strengths of this TEDx talk by Kiki Fan, so its strengths are clear and simple tips, relatable examples, procrastination, messy desk, practical advice students can apply immediately. Speaker's personal success story adds credibility. Weaknesses: limited to only three strategies might feel basic to some. More depth or scientific explanation could make it stronger. Conclusion: overall, this TEDx talk is short, practical, and inspiring. It shows that effective studying isn't about long hours but about smart habits. A must watch for students and anyone who wants to improve focus and productivity. So, if we talk about the my reflection on this TEDx, I will say, let me fix this. Okay, so if you talk about my point of view or my reflection on this TEDx, so I am in the favor of the strategies and the points which she is highlighting, and it is very helpful, and she gives practical solutions, and the things she talked about are very relatable. It is the time saving strategy and universal advice. Even professional or parents can use these strategies to improve focus at work or at home. So it is very helpful and very practical, and it reminds us many beautiful things. So these are my reflection. Very good for students who are want to make their life or study pattern more easier, or when they work smart, they become consistent and they create a high, and they can create the right environment for growth. Overall, this TEDx talk is short, practical, and inspiring, and it shows that effective studying isn't about long hours but about smart habits. A must watch for students and anyone who wants to improve focus and productivity. Friends, this was my review of Kiki Fan's TEDx talk. Study smarter, not harder. I hope these insights will help you in your learning journey. If you found this review useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video and tell me in the comments which of these study tips will you try first. So you can see me live on Facebook and LinkedIn. And after some time, you can find out this review video on my YouTube channel, Iram TV, and on my Instagram, Iram Mustaq Education Wali. Thank you for watching my TEDx. I will make more videos on different topics. For this time, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.